Welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surpisani. Hope you are doing great. As I have already told you many times that you need to join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling, because that is the fastest mode where you can get the information regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. And today's video is all about the latest updates which is there in the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Already we know that there is the one notice out that is related to the date update is regarding the Telangana MDS counseling 2023. There is the data of the candidates are released who have appeared in the NEET MDS and who have uploaded Telangana as their permanent state in the application to NTA. That means the NEET rank wise. As per the NEET MDS 2023, the data received from the office of DGHS, that is the Government of India. So this was the latest update regarding the Telangana NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Followed by that, there is the seat matrix for round 1 Pondicherry is out, that too regarding the Pondicherry NEET MDS 2023 counseling. After Assam has released their seat matrix list, that too for the Assam NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Focus is the update which is coming right now in this video. That is regarding the Gujarat state also. And see, all these notifications and the information is available on the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. So if you are a NEET MDS aspirant of this year, that is 2023, please join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 either by drop me the mail which is shown on your screen or by follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Register yourself, ask for the link, register yourself, and then you are joined in just 5 minutes. So if you're still waiting to join that group, please join that group as fast as possible. Let's talk about the Gujarat State NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Gujarat has released one notification that is regarding the Gujarat PG medical notification, which states that the state counseling application starts online. That means online application is started, that too from the 23rd June 2023 starting at 10 AM. And it will be end on the 30th June 2023, that too up to 3 PM. That means that end up to the 3 PM on 30th June 2023. There is one thing which you need to clear and hear it properly, because later on you gonna ask the same question again and again. So that's why I told you to please listen this carefully. Please note that it is just the application form which you need to be filled online and which is started right now. That is from the 23rd June 2023 to 30th June 2023, right? Followed by that, the further process for the Gujarat state will come after the All India quota counseling is notified, right? And the Gujarat round 1 result will be published after the All India round 1 result. So please that there is the online registration and the whole process is out regarding the admission, that too in the Gujarat state counseling, in the Gujarat state, that too in the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. The online procedure PDF is also out regarding that. So the proper guidance is there regarding the Gujarat state counseling, right? Followed by that, there is the list of the health centers are also out, that too regarding the Gujarat NEET MDS 2023 counseling, so that you can get some guidance, some help if you really want to, right? On the other hand, there are the instructions given category wise. So the instructions for the NRI category student is also there. It is mentioned there, and all these information is available on my WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023. That's why I told you to please join that group as early as possible. If you still haven't joined that, it's my request, by any of the mode contact me Ask for the link, register yourself and join in just 5 minutes. And you will get all the infos definitely. Followed by that, there is the authority letter link is also out regarding the Gujarat NEET MDS 2023 counselling. So that's all about the latest info regarding all the updates in the NEET MDS 2023. There are few questions which are coming from your side. Right now the revised cutoff is not there. So you are not eligible to sit in the counselling, to fill any form, to do anything in counselling. So what you can do? You can do only one thing. Just see and wait and watch. Wait and watch to release and to see when will be the revised cutoff will be released. Regarding that, I have already released many videos on my channel, and recently, yesterday I have released one video that exactly when you will get the revised cutoff in your hand. So till that time you are not eligible in the counselling if you are not having the marks in your cutoff, which is already released right now. So if you are not having your marks in that range, you are not eligible to sit or to do anything in the NEET MDS 2023 counselling, right? So you need to just wait and watch and see the things, but you can't apply anything in the NEET MDS 2023 counselling till you need to wait for the revised cutoff. So I hope this will clear all your query. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen as a sweet gesture. And then you can ask for the link to join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counselling. Thank you for watching.